A new generation of laser navigation smart vacuum cleaner, NEATSVOR X600pro. Using hardened chips and AI output things, 6,000 part function makes it have excellent cleaning ability. LiDAR scans high-frequency samples to detect obstacles in real time and avoid them accurately. Humanized map management. You can use your mobile phone to specify the areas that need to be cleaned and the areas that are not clean. If there is no power during cleaning, it will automatically return to the charging base. After charging, continue to clean the remaining area and insist on completing the cleaning. Strong motivation, easily overcome obstacles within 2 centimeters. Two brushes spin quickly to collect dust on the carpet. Precise microcontrol water pump with high-performance chip can accurately control the water output. Like a high-speed rotating propeller, a laser camera draws a map at the fastest speed. This is our trump card. NEATSVOR, a good life comes from technology.